Hey everyone, welcome to the digital funnel system. In this first video, we're going to get into the introduction. We're going to talk about what a digital funnel system actually is and go over some of the ground rules for building a digital funnel. So first of all, let me just say welcome to you. You are in a good place. We have a lot to learn in this training, and you are going to be blown away by what you learn about funnels and automation and all these fancy marketing funnels and ideas that you can implement to build a big business. Okay, so if you want to grow a business or product online, marketing funnels are key to your success. Let me repeat. Funnels are key to your success if you want to grow a business or a product online. So, with that being said, follow the steps outlined in this training for building successful marketing funnels. All right, so the big thing that most people don't understand about a marketing funnel is that it has one primary purpose, okay? A lot of people look at funnels and they think that there's so many different pieces to it and all that kind of stuff, but at the end of the day, your funnel should have one primary purpose, and that purpose is to sell your flagship program. Now, later in this training, we're going to get into what a flagship offer is, what a flagship product is, all that kind of stuff. But the key is that your marketing funnel is designed to sell your flagship program. All right, so the problem with most sales funnels is that most sales funnels are looked at from the perspective of what else can I throw in here to make money? All right, so they have all these upsells and downsells, and things are just kind of all over the place. Okay. And what happens is this leaves us with sales funnels that aren't congruent, they don't convert, and they don't help your customers solve their problems, right? Our products and our funnels are designed to help people solve problems, okay? And when we throw together these funnels with mix-match products and things, it does nothing more than confuse your audience and doesn't help them get the results they're after, okay? So now that we kind of understand that, let's get into what a flagship program actually is. So if our funnel is there to, sell our flagship program, well, what the heck is a flagship program? Okay. Well, a flagship program is your core program that takes your customers from A to Z on the problem that you solve. Okay. Now, the other important aspect of a flagship program is that it is time leveraged. Okay, this means that once it's created, you can sell it 24 hours a day and it doesn't require time from you. Okay, an example of a non-time leverage program would be something like a service or a coaching program that requires you to be the actual product. It requires labor on your part. Okay. So you want to make sure that your flagship program is a time leveraged program, okay? So let's look at an example here. Let's say that you are a personal trainer that helps new moms lose weight, okay? So what most trainers would do is they would look at this and they would define their core offer as personal one-on-one training, okay? Most personal trainers are out there trying to sell their one-on-one training. However, this type of offer is limited by the amount of hours you can work in a day. All right, so to build a business that can really grow, it would be best to offer a program that is time leveraged, a program that can help customers achieve their desired end result without requiring your time. So in this case, a digital course or a home study course would be the ideal flagship offer, as it provides your customers with a complete A to Z process on solving their problem, and it is time leveraged, okay? So to build a business that grows, that trainer would be better off offering a digital program that teaches clients how to lose weight with exercise routines, with nutrition plans, and video instruction. All of this could achieve the same end result for the customer, but it's not requiring the trainer's one-on-one personal time. Okay, so this is a time leverage funnel that can sell 24 hours a day, whether you're working or sleeping. And guys, this is the power of a digital funnel system. All right, so your homework for this module is I want you to think about your business. What would be the ultimate time leverage program you could create that solves your customer's biggest problem? And I want you to spend 30 minutes brainstorming some ideas, and then the next part of the training we'll go into how to do the research for building profitable funnels and getting tons of ideas. So we'll see you in the next part of the training.